ರೈತರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ರಾಜಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವರ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ CEO ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್. ಅದೇ ಜಗಜಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಸಿ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋದೊಂದು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆನಂದ
ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೆಳೀತಿರೋದು. ಒಂದು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಜಾಬಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಾರು. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು. ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳು ಹಲವಾರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಜಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಅವರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜನರಲಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್, ಈಗ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಪೈಪ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಲೇಬರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ರೀತಿಯ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿದು ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ MD ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ರೈತರು, ಉತ್ಸಾಹಿ ರೈತರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು, ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ನ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, FIR. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳು ಏನು, ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಫಸಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸರ್, ಐ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು know few things on this particular model of Charlie sprayers. Would you please explain it to our farmers? It can be either mixed in English and Hindi also, sir. People are able to understand.
Thank you. This particular machinery we made for the orchard farms. So this product is here in Mango Orchard Association. So this I found from my Mr. Gulbarga, from Mr. Sharan Patil. So he told me that there is issues here. Farmers are not getting the labor. So it's very laborious to spray the mango orchards. So we made this machine for them. We already using this in other orchards. So this machine have the fully mechanized product. There is auto agitation system in the machinery. If you can see, there is the chemical you can put inside. The suspension of chemical is automatic. Okay, that technology is called the Venturi principle. And the concentration of the chemical is uniform in this machine. There is no high concentration and low concentration in this machine if you spray from this Charlie sprayer.
Sir, you were mentioning about FIR.
Yeah.
Could you please elaborate and tell our farmers what exactly it is?
The FIR normally known as a first information report. Yes. But FIR means when you mix the chemicals. So it's very important when you are cocktailing then lack of education, illiteracy, farmer normally put everything in the same time. Then there is a reaction scheme that we don't know. Then how can we expect the good production and good effectivity of the spraying? So in that case, there is a scientific law that is we made it as a FIR. FIR means first you put fungicides when you are cocktailing. First you have to put fungicide, then I means insecticide, then you put regulators. These are the three. Don't put regulator first and fungicide after that. So this is a thumb rule from first, second and third. By this way you can get the better effectivity. And every time when you put these three chemical composition of these three chemicals, just take 2 minutes for the agitation. Not to put together everything, because let them dilute, because when it come to the contact with the water, so there is some different recipe. So then after you put the another second chemical, then third chemical. So this is the way you can get the effectivity, because machine have the mechanical features that for agitation, for filtration, for auto rewinding of the pipe to less the labor. This machine reduce the labor, but it's also scientifically you can reduce your chemical consumption, because if the machine cost is lesser always, the chemical cost is always higher side, because you can invest on the machine on one time, but on the chemicals you have to invest every time. So always make in your mind and makeup. You people are doing a very good role in this.
And sir, one more thing. You are mentioning about the pump
Yeah.
and locking the pressure.
Yeah.
What difference it makes when
Okay.
we normally the current practices,
Okay.
as you mentioned.
Okay.
So what difference does it make by using your pump and
Okay.
locking this pressure?
Yeah.
What is the advantage of it?
Yeah. Like this is a a standard HTP pump, piston plunger pump. But there are some few different techniques we use in terms of engineering so that the product can perform well. Now, when you normally in practice, when you spray, okay, when you spray, what will happen? After some time, the operator, come lazy. So he want to stop the application. He want to stop the gun. At that time, what will you do? So there should be an action in the pump mechanically. So when he shut off, then there should be no pressure increase and it should be auto bypass. So this mechanism we made here, this is internally, it's a very small thing, but is a very big value addition in the machinery. So when you shut off the gun, then it automatically sense here, mechanically sense here, then put all the chemical back to the tank, return to the tank. So this is the difference, and there should be no pressure increase. And you can use 2 guns with this machine. You can use 3 guns also, but we recommend up to 2 guns because the pump capacity depends on that. Yeah. So this is the difference. And another thing, when you agitate the things, then there are 3 filtration system. I already mentioned you how to dilute the chemical inside with the water contact. And then second, there is a bottom line filter, then it goes to the pump. So it is all the safety. So the farmer will not get any, recurring cost, the repair maintenance cost and every time. So this is the things we use.
How about your service backup, sir? So if any farmer is buying your product
Yeah.
as such, so what's your service assurance from the company?
Yeah, for the company is based on the after sales support. Because company made the true engineering product according to the every farmer area wise agronomic their practices. So we always prefer first our service engineers everywhere. So we have very different areas in the India and abroad. So we have more than 18 number of service technicians. In here in Karnataka, in Gulbarga, we have Mr. Shan Gowda from Gulbarga. He is our master distributor here. So he is providing and he is answerable for every spare parts and everything. So company give them the fully spare part and loaded, so that the farmer can avail it very easily.
Because most of these companies which I have seen, they sell the product, they forget it.
Yeah.
This is the scenario right now.
Yeah.
So I don't want my farmers or my group farmers to face the same issue with your product.
In Charlie you will never face it like that, because in every being a director of this company, on every weekly meeting, this is my first agenda, that how many services are pending. Okay, so this is because if I am concerned, then nobody in my company can be lazy in the terms of services. So we providing the service center numbers here. If my dealer or distributor is not providing you the services, you can contact directly to our service department to head office. So we will take the actions on that. But there will be no issues, because the machine we designed, it's very less in service. Very few spare parts, very not so much expensive. It's very like 500 to economical, 500 to 1000 you can repair the pump. And if there is a major repair after 3 or 4 years, it's only in 5,000. So it's very economical, because we have another range also, like diaphragm pumps we have, the different solenoid valves controls we have everything. But according to the area, according to the need of the farmer, according to the economic, what is the economics of the farmer area, how much income he has, how much these things. We need to consider everything. We don't want to give the big machinery and they will not get the spares, and it's very expensive, and they did not use. Just start from the basics products. Then years later, when the farmer income will increase and everything, so we are expecting, because we are giving our best to decrease the cost of the chemical, because chemical cost is very big. compared to machinery. So if you decrease, then naturally the financial aspect, the economics of the farmer will increase and better position. So then they go to the another products after some time. So this is what we are thinking. This is our company thought process, you can say.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time and
Yeah.
effort. You have come a long way from Ludhiana to just address your product, and thank you for the
Yeah, this is our duty.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you.
hopefully, we would love to get associated with your company, and definitely on the pricing part, we request you to just consider our request to be economical and as well as competitive as well. So thank you for this
Yeah,
opportunity, sir.
thank you.